Hi everyone. Recently, one of our customers asked about proper upgrade procedure without losing all the configuration and designs. There is very slight chance of losing configuration and designs only if you are using default repository, like this one. You can see a repository connection details at the top. Most of our customers use MS SQL Server repository or any other custom repositories, so the chance of losing any configurations is very low. But it is very important to perform repository backup before running the update. So we just click backup, click save. Another thing we need to do, we need to make sure that we stop all the relevant Windows services. Otherwise, we might be asked to reboot the computer. As you can see, none of them running, so we have nothing to stop. Next thing we need to do, we need to check history of changes, because we might need to run some repository update scripts. So the version is 22. Let's go to history page. There is no information about upgrading the repository, so installing the software on top of the existing one should just work. So let's close it down. Run the setup as administrator. As you can see, the version number 35. Running the installation. So it is asking if we want to override the default repository. This is why it is important not to use it for development. Default repository has a lot of useful examples, so most of the time it is used for studying how to work with our software. Click override. So as you can see, the version is 35, so we successfully upgraded the software. Sometimes it might be necessary to run repository upgrade scripts. You can find all of them on our website. Just click articles and click repository database update scripts. For example, if block transformation is missing, from the objects tree, they are present, so there is no need for us to run it. But if it was missing, you would need to run this script to enable it. As you can see, the upgrade procedure is very straightforward, not really complicated. I hope you find it useful. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.